Yes. Reure. Because it's Thursday. Yes. Kiraoni. Kiraoni na githunguri no gitire authority. Yes. Na gikira okiuthagirwo kimutwe kiagwa niki
ni ibati.
Yes. No kira ikira itigaine cia irauni. Some executive, some influential, and some just ceremonial. Dikwana drau ceremony. Siasa thaici ni hiyo.
Wahota guthio guo wikore siasa ini mwena.
Na munene ni arakiaria utuko-ini hau.
Njiguire ni araria thaa imwe.
Maita maingi gutari undu wa emergency ri. Thaa imwe gukiario ni president ri. Well,
he might pull a surprise.
Yes.
Just maybe.
Yes. Lutari authority wariri. Twesukuru ri. Heke do yet the prefect's body. Yes. And I was in that body.
Oh, are prefect?
Dari prefect. Prefect. Dari entertainment captain.
It's still in the prefecture body.
What you da consider authority? Uno consider actually very likable. You do ameo. Yes. No kwe mundu wetagwo kiranja wa darasa.
Class prefect.
Yes.
Ruwa cio mahana macifo.
Ni macifo, ni moka huro pio. Ni likuru. Macifo na kibaru yetagwo likuru. Reo likuru wa yari. Ndu akora mostly wira wao ri wari wa guhura nguo na guthera na kwandika andũ arĩa maranegena na gũtuĩka maitho make
the administration
mwarimũ. Yes. No rĩu akorwo kwĩ wĩra ningĩ makoragwo mekĩrĩirwo mũno and they used to take up that role with prestige. Nĩ kwandĩka
noise makers.
Yes.
To maintain discipline, law and order.
Yes. Na noise maker icio rĩ ciana ũteti wa kĩrĩu nĩ kwarĩ factors nyingĩ mũno. Yes. Rĩu nĩ wakora prefect rĩ being a prefect was a very lonely office. Taguti mundu akwaragiria kirathi. Utaoke mungathuka.
Asa.
Yes.
Unegene usetere andu pesi ya kunegena.
Yes.
You have to look very disciplined.
Na prefect wa negena ga last.
Asa. No, you will be taken down very fast.
Kwaja prefect ogi akire mwalimu ogi atiriri. Wairagi.
Yes sir.
Yeah, the noise makers. Arone na thutha.
Who are you looking at?
Niamanya gocio riu ri. Ni andu arakune arahumbira.
He is playing politics.
I had not written,
but I could hear noise all the way from the gate. Ama mulikuwa mnapiga makelele na wao.
I have a headache. I was asleep.
Kuja hapa.
Ndakura prefect tocio. Ona yo gaga eke.
Bute.
Yes.
Oci haguragwo in a very short while.
Yes. Kwena ore makoragwo na fallout nene muno na arutwo ari angi. Ni undu wa kumaneana. Yes. Na ni maikara ogwo kagia na riri. Hey retagwo noise makers tier 1. Mundu tangiahotire gukira.
Actually watuika prefect.
Yes.
Your first role watuika prefect.
Yes.
Ni kwamba ko mapu criminal iria nene cia unegeni.
Yes.
Nigetha list ine yaku ri ukamenya gono ngiandika list wi toro ari andu matangiaga.
Some names will appear. You know you andu mumero ni anyito ethagirwo mahitia. Riu no agora ka machine kana nema.
Uthima decibels.
Tondu kwa andu managirira unapologetically. And you see koyando aria and that started from the younger years.
Yes.
Ndio wakora prefect. Mwalimu oka ona ate kwandikite na mama mutino na akiandika. Kero read out the name of the noise makers very fast. Akaruta.
Mama
ya Ocampo.
The Ocampo are they 9 or 10?
There are 6.
Or 6.
Akaruta the Ocampo
6.
Be ready. Keep it.
Can you step forward? What are you?
Annabelle. Maina. Rosemary Kairo Anderson Itotia Matthew Muraguri Girigorio Musina Ava Godho Rosemary
na estaba ahí llegó
Priscilla Bodaya na mwalimu amarorogu he would not even put an inquiry. He can put a name to the crime.
Yes.
All of you go and kneel down. Wacha kusema huko unapiga kelele wewe nani ya kujui toka.
Kwenda piga magoti pale kwa staff room.
Who are you? Wanda mpige hapo. Kwa headmaster. Ndio tumo head. Au madoe no ale moja. That was a very awkward position.
Kwaja kwirwo muturie maru. The moment au makora muturitie maru. Of course ni amenya these are criminals.
Yes.
Abia muhure nigetha uri kumutumite okia ndiru na inywe baadaye.
Bwana getho mara getho kiritoi. Tugitumwa au hadi tuturie maru hau nja. Au makioria what is it? Akimya tunia kura jaro. Yani ni wakulisha
makula jaro.
Model it's a good spot for kneeling.
Tondu muthomete mathomo makarika. Kagondu ngiwa gwika.
Prefect you see saying ya go you at one day the wind will blow and the chicken will be in problems.
If you know, you know.
If you know,
you know.
Yes. Class prefect. Aisimeka si mara moja.
Waidagi harakisha.
Harakisha. Asokalu hari fairo. Foto register ya TENE.
Akashomora.
Yes. Kaja Rosemary Gathaiya. Eunice Wayego. Asoka kauga. Ava Godho kirathige gathe. Why bona munacheka?
What is funny?
What's wrong? Wameru. Stand up. What's wrong? Other Godho is absent.
And how did he end up in the list of noisemakers?
Prefect, niwe naongelesha. I think I have confused his voice. I did not look back. I must have written him yesterday. No, teacher. Other has been absent for 6 days. He broke his leg.
Munayani mukamunayana.
Mwahuraga a thunderous applause. Mwigeto ero. Prefect, can you go and kneel in front of the principal's office? Ni mwako gwagira muno mukaga atiri. Goliath ori.
Has made his match.
Ha manini azunyu, okay? Bendera. Lemu akioya gaire mwara hurro morideka. Mutia kenaga.
Kau nako negaikagia prefect under the bar.
We under the bar. That was a serious misdemeanor. Tono iwe airi kwene amwandikite ira.
Gwatuika mundu ucio na ndokite thukuru thiko cigana ona.
Akonekana ona afia cia kira thindari ke. He's not on top of them.
Nikuona ni list ya guciria from the file.
You are on a very unceremonious man. Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Before we start, I would like to say that from today henceforth, Mangìheo is our new class prefect. Muka hura no hito no isio fero kirimi. hamanire o mutunye federali anashikwa na anapigwa na butwa
and then the breaking news would not even recognize the former occupant.
No.
The moment moigwa muna prefect mweruri automatically tells you the former has been
you would not give a hand of a speech
and notes
or be recognized during your tenure what you did. You are incompetent, you are impeached. Wa impeach go how no kero ashiro na ko impeach wa kure is a favor todo uma o disciplinary action
wa igwero tha
Matthew oyo rocio rora akia korio where are the noise makers akajia na former
Former no ba utumiro Subaru.
Yes. Outback. Metemeyu.
Ihenya.
Kwajare wewe newly appointed ali nikanate wede wale arage sana kahikiendaga agikwandika we akiomitire to riake
ria muhiki agikuneana we nigetha weherere game.
Yes. Anage na wewe amwalimu are you arguing with the prefect?
I was not making noise.
Are you saying the prefect is mad? According to you, class, was Wawero making noise?
Yes.
Square daije wewe. Unafikiria huku unakuja kubeberesu? Na ndago na prefect yesho muhagore athukira hau.
No, they will become criminal.
Au mahau ena akabal. Au maku wenale meto wakali kwao. Meto wakali wao kana wakali kwao.
Wakali wao.
Au maana kagaza yake.
Ine athondeka kabatuni gake. To give the new prefect hard time in office.
And they would be very bitter. Sometimes it would get too bad. Inyako ari administration ire ekajia kweyoria otane uria kuri guku. Ekajia kweyoria mundu ucio twari tumweheria.
Was it a wise decision?
Lebo temgeto yoka ni akumukuneka.
The former nake agathi agathondeka batuni.
Agathondeka fugu. Let's not go that direction. Let's be misinterpreted by the pundits.
But that is life.
Akonvata agatweka
kitu baya.
Hard line. Wenye itikadi na sheria kali. Ora mwayo kwa ba. Mbona? Huko.
Ema sana. Ona Jose Bitua Limuru.
Huko no tai thae mwenjora. Wata wikaro wigwa tiri. Weterera ukimenya hata kuigwa. Forthwith I am appointing Gathaiya Dennis as the head. On the same breath, to represent the youth, I am appointing Mas Mudhoni Babaja as PS.
Ai no kae thirikari neno.
Hello, ndizotagitanya.
Maundu tutagitanya.
We would be very shocked.
Very.
I am forthwith directing that starting tomorrow, Njogu Wabashira will serve in the capacity of CS. Njogu has been a vibrant journalist, an opinion leader, and a scholar. I am appointing him CS.
Mudurawire guma era thina na jikariro ta kiondo.
Eno munani amahurire muno.
Hauti hauthu. Iraithi.
Ona jogwa etwara marathi etawatia committee ria evetaga andu
the vetting committee of parliament.
Yes.
Bele ya Wetangula.
We are informed you are a musician. Well, largely that's a hobby. It's co-curricular.
I did order.
After wide consultations with a team of experts in government, I am appointing Paul Gathaiya Wambugwa to serve in the capacity of CS, Ministry of Livestock
and Fisheries.
For inclusivity purposes, I am also appointing Gladys Muthoni Kirumba. Wewe ndio ya mchana my friend.
Hiyo ni daughters. Daughters idea daughter.
Hiyo ndio ni nightmare.
Ndio ni nightmare. Tiraithi. Ya sa tiraithi.
Dogi karago.
Yai.
Oye koro. Boro Simon has exuded professionalism
and patriotism. Sasa. Ti wathani uwekuo. Ndirona. Ndirona.
Tutikeigwa wagwetwo tweke munini wa njoho.
No.
Ele please them.
Joe atia.
Agekirwo. Ai. No role kuria mwere mundu mwe. Ngaza kujua moja Kameme itagwa mzuri. Mkubwa jugwa moja.
Otaka kanu horo cio wi haraihu muno.
Nao ningi goko no akoe ningi kiri niki wiki kurumia ta ndarama.
Hau nayo ni ukorwo wi hariirie. Kurumio proper.
Haya. Utwekere thaa cigana?
Ni thaa imwe.
Haya.
Ya hwaini. Iweterera muno no mathaa ta matatu na kindu.
JKA iko wima,
iko imara,
imesimama kidete.
JKA imesija
na tumesija. Yes. Landscaping. Yes. Yokoro iwargo proper uga rad. Uga rad road. Sasa ida wimba menja inaibago rad road.
Elo na ara neituhingaga.
Ero na ara sina CH na CH ri. Ijo titinagirwo. Na gwikira M handu hatari.
MB ND
nyanje mbunda. Kiyo ke ubuda ne yathirire leo.
Na kandogo. Ado ha kandogo.
Ndio gese kandogo. Na kwa mtoto amerewa vizuri. Amerewa.
Emurerewega.
Amerewa na tukate igia une mahege kagarugo. Mtoto akirewa fiema. Landscaping rim. Of course nowadays it's a lucrative business. Yes. Adota ajoki wa alpha plants ri. Hali akia buro no igwa na mithemba ya mahua. Ginya mamwe maigata ginya ruwage maigata ganyoka. No rojo landscaping ni wakinyine ginya rugongo.
Riu maundu macio mekuo rugongo.
Thikũ ici rugongo mundu agiaka nyumba ri ni ekorwo na budget ya kindu gitwo landscaping.
Togwaka.
Yes. Tokwenjera nyumba kiea. Ucoke watere kiria kirikura. Yes. Thikũ ici ukora mundu ni ararerwo haha handa kiria lantana. Yes. Hawo no hande kindu gitagwo lilies tondu hena tumae tuingi. Haha naho no hande kindu gitagwo mithiri ya apple. Yes.
Umehage tumae.
Nyeki no twikire ya arabica haha. Monori ogitwikire itawatia no egikoragwo succulent. Zimbabwe itawatia.
Which one?
There is a yaga Zimbabwe. twekire yo na hari ugu na ono twekire Kikuyu grass. Yes. Tene landscaping iri ni uria mwamikora
handu oria hari uria haikaire
acio no ngiathire miaka 20 no coke kunduri wa kumenyaga na nja
tondu itia cenjagia
mbere ndaya waigira ngeti-ini ri guku kwa kaire na gwa baba wanyu mukuru ri akona kiruru kia mburi and for some reason mahua maria mari ruongo mangetirwo mahua ri othe ni mothe ni maiguanite maruta mahua ma yero
ni waikaretwo giikaro kia mahua gukaiguanwo ni yero
kila kitu ni yero toro na Carolina ni yero riu bougainvillea ni yagera yero mwe karuta papu red na white that one would bring color like bougainvillea no akora mucio mwe kirekereirio wega
riu kina tumahua turutite wega tu papu
nginya tumathondeka etondo lipstick namo thiko ici niyo retwo nude okay haka no landscaping yari ri kwaura gutagunyite muno ri and I don't understand the logic with that wakora andu na tufanga matemerere nyeki
gapathi-ini
gapathi karuta hari ageti-ini taka mutaka depression gaka oithio kona gathika guthietie haria nyumba
well never mind mwatemaga oguo meciria-ini ri inyuĩ murona ta mukagia ngari at some point
no iwe adipendaga na with andu aria mathare ma progression ya ngari ri matema ga kuiganiria makinya gatemere depending on the span yakuma kiingo-ini gakoragwo muno to ni ukoithio kona agacokio ringi agakagwite murango-ini
na yundu icio ni twekaga nginya thukuru ya polling station
yes mwacoka mwathi hari haina meio githimu gunda ukanengerera wega riu mundu arona oguo kuma raihu ri ukona ni artwork
na tondu mutire lone moa ri lone moa ni ng'ondu cianyu
mugeta merino
cigacokia nyeki thi
no ngiahetirio rekererie ng'unda no ng'oi ikinyagia nyeki thi piu tiri-ini
lone moa njega ni ng'ondu
wareha ng'ondu wega cikarekio nja cikaigana
ikahinya nyeki
na ng'ondu ciatwaraga nginya igego ria namba imwe igego ria kinyuthi ng'ondu ni yatwaraga igego
ria namba imwe
ni yaigananagia wega
muno na igacoka igatiga thumu
exactly macoka mukarengerera wega mugacoka muthondeka pathi ga guthie riko na kagi ga guthie haria riu mwanikaga indo mwathambia
haria mucigagirira cite mai
riu kwahana conveyor ona conveyor mundu igagira kindu ya poti yathi riu kwahana oguo of course aria makino hotire ni macoka magaita kagote iaria bali do hoti tondu riu kagoto tondu tondu aria tueka waguo tai no tu akagoto kwaura ningi rwatuikaga rui
kana gacira gagacagaca gagatende
kora riu mwacoka nyeki
riu nyeki-ini kwina grip gukira guku gutari nyeki
ningi hau ni uguthii uthiete
hau ni uguthii uthiete kwanja eko hanyu ni haina muri
na muno wira ucio warutagwo kuria kuri airitu muno ciana cia airitu tondu ihe Gathaiya no there kuna marengereire muthenya ucio ni kureka and that some of us were supposed to be architects tukiaga mieke
no kuri andu people who are very good na landscaping hiyo
mamiro na guo ena masterpiece mutu akamenya hahari no tuambe turenge kinya kenja tiri haruruke hamere kanyeki kanyu
agacoka kamenya riu twakinya haru no yanjie gutema kona igikinya kahingo-ini
andu matho broadcaster ya sisi ateri na makiajira nginya hari guikia kuguru grip yes ati kima kwa ng'ombe na kurete ni twara
ni ulenyitirira thi
yes ni uraikia twara twa maguru tu ukaiga kindu gitagwo leaf yes it must asi kama karuka katemegi yes na weka uguo ruga ngora no wakiria na kefiu riu no wakora nginya riu haria kiumbu-ini giake ni ahandite karugiri ka mahua gokite nginya level ya dirisa absolute kwanja heke wakige kiamera thutha wa kioro ungiagitemire wega ni giako yeah, because the lazy people would just plant that one would grow wildly ukarekereria nyawa igira nyumba no na tukato it looks like a cave no kwedu na mahadi tuwa mamaregereire wega view
na gapathi gagatemeroro kanyaki wega na nikahatagwo
yes now haiga goitangire ria ramiri ria kuonereria mairi ni matheceire kamwe uhendu meta kurago yes
luathire andu amari kihariro
mazoke matambie rurio rwa manipra yes yurokete ku nginya bicaini yes
riu acio ndio mari andu aluku
yao ni walumbu tu ne manipranti na ndaria tabaga mutari kanyamu
asa tigundu guothe etikiraga ningi
ni aregaga he aregagira murango-ini ko ndwathi okora ni hulite zakira igire nyumba yes ite gacoka yoko na bici ya thogu ya kihiko ri ni thiuruke ni ihua riu mutari kanyamu ni ria kuamaga
ni ria regaga
ni thiaruta shoot mutari kanyamu kindu muona akiamera nyumba ni murio na bera bera because some boys would actually during the very rainy seasons would avoid the trips to the toilet at night and they would borrow wanamo pera mukariwo ndire ko nyumba
kona wathundia
ube mundu wenjire pitra trini nyumba ndiria kwauraga pio kaigua nginya ngui yanyu ni anjire rungu rwa nyumba yoka thiini
igetha shelter
yes those were the days
kenda na bote
Jumatatu nginya gatano KWIGANGARA Shamania na board chair Gathaiya dance
karibu sana twegangare
na section Ngoni wa THUITA
leo ule
thini wa KWIGANGARA
hey, I think it is still in our generation. You go see and they were invented then, and they were very excitable to use. Mundu agisisitiza ne mauma na mundu ri ne ugaga riri tumana ake life tumana ake ke
life
na ndio tukiuthira kiyo ke live ri getiare practical yes life twazimenya thutho
uyu
yes because you are in an age na wetoro gwaku you go live within a click of a button.
Yes
you are accessing the world. You are a glow, you can be a global phenomenon. Yes we matukura ifu twamigoka ndwe ni life
tu yakuga ukimini ate muonanire imwe kwa imwe
yes tondu kwendi TV ona TV riu utia kire mitandao ya kijamii TV na citia koragwo na kindu gitagwo option ya live except riu FUK yes with the OB van and that was a reserve of the presidency.
No, that was a state resource that was used by the state exclusively.
Yes. As if at the time KBC and Yokano Broadcasting
Corporation.
Although it was a Kano tour. On actually, as if at the time Uki go mohoro wa moi. Bisha yake ikara ha udaka iko.
Still photo.
Yes.
Na ndio akoragwo the first item on the news.
He had 10 minutes on news. 10, if not 15. Yes. Athoma kuria cukuru wa Moi High School Kabarak, that was news.
Sade kuria thomire kanitha.
Yes.
AIC.
Yes. Mtukufu Rais Daniel Troy Teacher Up Moi leo ameungana na washirika katika shule ya katika kanisa la AIC Milimani akihubiri kama jaja tukiwaga mainji ombea Kenya kama wewe na kuwa mzalendo kumbuka inji yako. You know, hiyo ndio raifu ile tuona. Gotia raifu yake. Hiyo raifu shige wako ragare u. And I think it was mostly Jamhuri Day.
Ya mabura makifururi.
Yes. Na muthenya uria wakire wake.
Moi Day.
There was Moi Day and there was Kenyatta Day.
Yes.
And Kenyatta Day was celebrated by Moi as a, you know, what do you call this? Oria mundu anyitagira kindu athake ndakuwendia.
Sentimental, yes.
Tondu Moi nake ni agitikiirwo kiu.
Wathani.
Yes. Shara icio matuko mo magicenjirie. I think Kenyatta became mashujaa.
Ndio mashujaa.
Moi became
tutie twamenya
utamaduni kana ne masigira.
Iyo ni agiri uria gekwo.
Yes. Because then it used to be Moi the man.
And the Moi philosophy.
We would stop work to celebrate the man. Watu hao yedukuto kongwere
nyayo
mutukufu. It used to be called mutukufu. Yes.
Yeah, we have come from far.
We have come from far. Mutukufu moya inataitwa mwana pope.
Mutukufu.
Yes. Mutukufu means you know
ni mundu mutugiru.
Ni holy. Yes. Mutukufu rais.
Baba Jimine wokire kurega taito icio.
Akiwa sasa hiyo msiniite hiyo hapana. Wewe akiwa najua naitwa Kibaki. Sasa hiyo wewe wacha.
Mambo ya mutukufu.
Sasa wewe useme sijui Kibaki njia hiyo shule hiyo hapana. Oh yes. And you know my Kibaki did not name very many things after him.
Actually there are not very many things named after him.
Yes. I think it's Mama Lucy. And the commemorative coin. They had to go work on rifle. Yes. Na yeye bi vani atwarithagia no muthuri wetwa wagu. Iyo ni yathi ya kundu. Mungiamionio kundu mukamenya that is life. Na ngwiciria kamutho na mitwarare mwerogongo.
Yes.
Kamotho.
Iyo riu ni andu aria mari na state power.
Yes. Riu maundu ma live stream ma riu twamona tuyaciari.
Life is andu mara take for granted. Hey, it was not a common thing.
No. What are you saying? Live.
You are broadcasting to thousands and thousands of people.
Live stream.
Imwe kwe mwe.
Ati tene ogia hetu kiyo ni undu gicagi ni wae tuku. Tona video ti mondo maigiro ngogo moya go video. Higher some funerals are undocumented.
Nyingi muno there.
Largely and weddings.
We maundu maingi muno mekekire undocumented.
Yes. Actually there are people who even did weddings and do not have one photo.
Magipuru ate nimekire hiki.
Yes. They just rely on oral history.
And eyewitnesses.
Yes. That has been passed down through
generations.
Nedera guli susu nimekire hiki.
Na wakuarirwo ni ngari ya randirofa.
Yes. Ngari ya muthungu wetagwo Colonel Zimmerman. Na mundu uria wokire kou atumitwo ni munene wa thigari etagwo Patrick Show.
No Patrick Show kiaira. Mundu we Patrick Show ri.
No, tena gutiare reruns. If a day is gone,
it's gone.
Completely. That is water under the
under the bridge.
Yes. No, there there was no live what coverage for what
we wahituku ni ule wakuhituka ni wakuhituka period.
Actually you would not even remember yourself young tondu guti any documentation leo ni werago ndui munini wale mutungu muno we
you have no idea
you don't
wale mutungu atia
makayolutete ku wewe munini wale mashashali ndiye waholereire hawe you don't have any comparison yes leo we ogore na gicicio ini ogwo niguo we yes tio muthiri na nikio tutakoragwo TBT andu imwe itu twa post igiriri
igathira
orothiraira
tondu wa scavenge mucie bica wonirio cia kuigiri cia matuko mathiangu
ine mwe kwanja we muhiu ikai Wìra man say mo post TBT 20
it will be highly unlikely,
very highly unlikely itoke wapi teka mauadu tu mwana akorutire bica ciake na miaka 3 bica 4
ai boom sana
ni bica ire mo ahura otirireirwo gwo wajia guikara thi wina nafe mugunda wareirwo shu kuma obica ire ngiri
ni ukirikia
80 oragretwo ni thigari mwena na mwena na ndio cool kids athi kwisi maya ciria wari muici oye mama anko kwani ulikuwa mwizi kwa nini si picha umepigwa na polisi wako kando yako na bunduki
ilikuwa kololia
hiyo sasa ni unajua hao ndio walikuwa naangalia tusiimbe mtihani sasa tunapigwa pesa na wa siku hiyo walikuwa nakubali kupea mtu fuduki nilifikiria ulikuwa mwizi ukiwa private that was a very little documentary
very little
is your mother you know with the advent of internet and social media no mathio aha in their profiles marole 10 years of stream
yes
one mwotaruhe muroni ahura mwana wake bisha amu erukege same sport every year
over sport
yes if you na luxury ya mauluta
hakuna
we don't
ne a random one here a random one there
yes
na ciathi muno 4-5 ugeretie pio
everything is live kila kitu ni vula yes
live
so wana tu live Kameme ni TV nini
umetoka mbali
sana